Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 1 Hand-on Exercise 1 Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So question number one is total question is 4 and question number one is type the member type in cell A4. So copy the title and paste the title in cell A4 and press enter. Next is select the cell A1 and then spell check the worksheets. When promoted, change the misspelling of conference to the conference. So select the cell is A1 and check the spelling. So go to the view tabs and go to the review tabs and go to the proofing groups and click the spelling. So select the change all and click OK. So question number one is complete. We move to the question number two. So question number two is copy the value and paste the value in cell B6. So select the cell is B6 and paste the value, press enter. And next is use the fill handle to copy the value B6 to B7 through B12. So copy the value B7 to B12 and next is use the fill option to change the value to series. So go to the home tabs, go to the dating groups and click the series and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is enter the value 225 in cell C12 and then press enter. So select the cell is C12 and press enter and type the 225 and press enter and next is C2. So type the C2 and type the 6 by 13 and press enter. Next is clear the formatting in cell C2. So select the C2 and clear the formatting. Go to the home tabs, go to the dating groups and click the clear the format. And next is enter the date 6 by 30 by 2024 in cell C2 and then control press enter. So select the cell is C2 and type the 6 by 30 by 2024 and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is on the worksheets make cell A1 the active cell and the replace all occurrence of the text amount with the text price and close any open the dialog box. So shortcut button is Control F. Sorry, go to the home tabs and go to the find and selects and click the replace select the cell A1 and Control F button and find what is amount. So type the amount and replace is price and click the replace source. So all done, we made to replacement, click OK and click the close. So question number 4 is complete. So assignment is done and please click OK to submit the assignment and click OK. So check the scores. So Excel chapter 1 simulation exam is check the score. Excel chapter 1 on the simulation exam is 100%. Click the check the score is 100%.